Hi, and welcome back to Live Like You're Living. I just got off of work and it's time for me to get dinner going for my family. Today I'm thinking about making something super healthy and delicious. Okay, so tonight I am going to prepare some rotini from Ronzoni. If I said that correctly, I apologize if I did not. Super greens rotini. Let me look at the ingredients on the side here. Take a good look, everybody. It says it has wheat, durum flour, dried vegetables, niacin, iron, thiamine, riboflavin, folic acid, manufacturing facility that uses eggs. So I usually look for big red flags, and I don't see any big red flags with this other than my camera not focusing. So the calories is 200 calories per serving. I'm going to add red onion, clove of garlic, yellow squash. I cook with olive oil. I think I got this from Aldi. If you guys are familiar with Aldi, I like Aldi. I season with turmeric, and some crushed rosemary. And for my sauce, I have Bertolli's organic creamy Alfredo. Okay, which is also no artificial flavors or colors, USDA organic. Okay. So I'm not fond of soybean oil. Let's see what we can do with this. Okay. So our water is ready. Time for me to add the pasta. I chopped up everything and sliced, chopped. I prepared it to go onto the fire and cook. I'm going to add some olive oil and saute everything and add my seasonings. My pasta is still simmering. It should be done soon. Let's see how, oh, that smells great. Oh, I love how that smells. Let's see how that goes. Let's get it together. So I like to simmer the sauce with the veggies for a little bit before adding the noodle, the pasta. So after I add the pasta with the veggies, the burner is actually off, it's just still warm, and I'll let this sit for like 5 minutes, let it settle, and I'm going to eat. We're going to enjoy dinner. Alright, so this is it. This is my meatless healthy pasta, and I think it's great. I left you guys, I added on the calories, the vitamins, the minerals, all that good stuff, so you know what type of dish this is. And if you want to give it a shot, let me know how you like it. I love this. Tastes great and it's healthy. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope that you can continue to live like you're living. Good night.